Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be making a watermelon or a pineapple charm, and you will need 15, but I probably will get more, 15 rubber bands, yellow rubber bands, and you will need a little bit of orange rubber bands. And make sure you get green for the stem part. And first what you do is you take this yellow one and flip it, twist it around 3 times, and then you take a orange and a yellow. And then you put it right here on the first part, and then you flip it on. And then you're supposed to do this about 4 times. So I'm gonna do it 4 times, and if you want, you could pause the video if I'm going too fast. Last one. So, and then what you do is you take, wait, 1 second. Then what you do is you take the bottom of it and you put it all the way up here. And then you take some orange and some yellow and do this 4 times again. And then if you already did it, then you could fast forward the video. But you keep doing this until you get 4 of these on.
Put it close to the camera a little bit.
So this is how it looks right now. As you can see, I have 3 right now. I'm gonna have 4 in about 3 seconds. So, and then when you have these completed, then what you want to do is take another yellow and take it and make sure you put your hook on it. And then you take 2 more and make sure you make 4 again. And then you'll probably be all done by now. So you can see it's actually starting to form. Don't mind the background. And then this is my last one, so I'm going to show you the next step after I'm done. Okay, I'm done. So what you want to do is you take this, what you made, and you slide it down. Make sure you slide it down to the kind of bottom. So you're going to slide it in the middle. And then you're going to get 1 green. And do this about 3 times, but not together. I'm just going to show you how you would actually do it. So you take 1, 2, take 2 of these, and then put it back on. And then you slide this one down, then you make another one. This part is probably, it's like really easy. It's not hard at all. But if you're like so new at this, then it's probably going to be hard for you. This is the last one I have to do. And then you take a random color, which I'm going to take a yellow, and I'm going to connect them together. This is what you do to connect it. So what you do at the end, you make sure all these greens are actually stretched out. And make sure they're all stretched out. Push them kind of up, but don't make it come off. And what you're gonna do is grab one single rubber band and then you start connecting all of them together. If you want, you could actually tie this on if it's like really hard for you to do it. But it should be really hard, but sometimes it's really easy. You keep sliding it on. And then you slide the last part. Make sure you're super careful. Okay. And now what you're gonna do is you're going to take this and this and make a double knot. But one second. Let me make sure you would see it. Okay. You're gonna make a double knot with these. Let me focus it on. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is take this, take it, and then you're gonna slide this on the top and make sure this last one doesn't get inside the hook. And then let me show you what you do if this won't tighten. You grab another color, which I'm gonna grab orange. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it inside and you're gonna slide this one on, and then it should, wait, let me show you this again, because I went too fast. So you're gonna take it, and then you're gonna slide this one in, and it should make a knot. And when it makes a knot, then you're all done. And make sure all of it is stretched out. And there you go. A cute little thing. I'm gonna show you all my creations at the end, so stay tuned for that. So, what I wanna show you guys is my company. My company is MyLipGlow, MyLipGlow.com. And I have lip glosses. This is the first one. I have way more. I have this one. I have way more than that. And we might have merch soon, so stay tuned for that. And now I'm going to show you my creations of like what I did. So now my creations are a lot, so get ready. So first I have bracelets that have charms on it. And then I have little homemade simple dimples that are homemade and made with bracelets. Then I have an X. Then I have a big circle kind of thing. Then I have a little kind of, what do you call it? God sign charm. And then I have this pink and red bracelet. And then I have this orange simple dimple that's homemade. Then I have a ring, another ring, and then this is a little bowl, and this is a little flower, but I would put it on your hand, like on your index finger or your other fingers, and another bracelet with a charm. And then there's a dog bone. And this one had a charm on it, but I guess it got lost. And there's one specific one I love. Oh, and this is a triple dimple. That's a homemade. I have way more. And I'm going to be coming up with new bracelets and other things. These are all my creations that I have. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and make sure you go to my website and make sure you buy these bracelets on my website. Bye!